You'll be immersed in a lot of different carpentry techniques, from painting, flooring, drywall, door installation, window installation, and all those trades will translate into the real world. Either working for yourself or working for a company, you'll be well suited to walk in the door having that knowledge. Students are expected to do the book work online outside of class. And when they come to class, they are immersed in an active environment. So everything that they're learning in the books will then be translated into real life, so to speak. So I'm able to show and give demonstrations and then allow them to do the same, process, and standing there helping them work through the process. And I think that's where the learning happens. I see the light go on and I'm like, that's why I'm here. Or when they can show another student, what they've learned or talk them through it. So it's a beautiful thing when you see that. Yeah.